Hello and welcome to another video. I'm sorry I've been a little out of rhythm, but let's get right back to it. So in one of my mommy groups on YouTube, there was somebody looking for a cute little tutu for her daughter. So this is going for a 4-year-old. And what I've done is I've cut out circles of tulle, and as you can see they have a little tiny center. So once we join them all together and add them and gather them, it makes the waistline smaller. But it's gold and white, so what I've done is I've cut circles in white and circles in gold. And now I'm sewing them together, alternating the colors. And I've probably got about 20 pieces, 20 circles of each. Once this is all gathered up, it's going to make like little stripes. Alright, I want to be sure that all my seams are going to be to the wrong side. Line that up now and make sure. Now, why am I not clipping it? Because it's delicate tulle and I don't want the weight of it pulling down on it to stretch that waistline. Alright, so now I'm going to cut these all apart, and then when it gathers in, not only is it going to be fuller because of the way it's cut in that circular shape, it's going to make little stripes. It's going to be so cute. It looks like it's going to stand out just beautifully. Alright. Yes. We're gonna do a gold waistband. This is just bias tape. It's metallic. What I'm gonna do is unfold it so I get this wider piece here. Then I'm going to sew that down to the top edge of the tulle. And then I'm going to come back and top stitch down again. Because number one, it'll grab that tulle better, and number two, it will prevent this gold lame stuff from unraveling, which it loves, loves, loves to do. See how I unroll my trims? You always want to unroll them like that. You never just want to let them fall off the bolt, because then they'll twist up. And then they're much easier to deal with if you let them come off the bolt flatly. Okay, I'm going to stop here because I'm running out of bias. And I want it to end on a white section, because the beginning was gold, so stitch this down real quick. Top stitch. Alright, and now we run a piece of elastic through. She's 4. How big can her waist be? That big? Now I just made a casing with my bias tape, and now I'm gonna run my elastic through. Wow, that is super fluffy. Okay, there we have it. Golden white tutu. I'm gonna put it on a mannequin and play with it a little more, and then you'll get a better idea. Alright, I couldn't find the mannequins. That's a child size, so I used a paint can. And you can see distinct stripes. Do I wish they were more distinct? Yes. I hope she's happy. If I was 4, I would love this tutu. Okay, well that's it. Thank you for joining us for today's video. I have more coming. The other day, past few days, I've just been on a cutting out rampage, and I've been cutting out lots of projects. So stay tuned. We've got a lot of stuff coming. I'm just trying to find a way to juggle the edit work and video. So if you liked what we've done, give us a like, hit subscribe, stay with us. Join us for more. As always, be kind to each other, and we will see you next time.